I'm gonna put the boat in the water and we're gonna run that engine. I got US boat, so if we have any issues, we got towboat, and guess we're gonna go for broke. So let's get it in the water. Okay, boat's in the water, trailer's coming out. So that was a success as far as getting in the launch. So start the engine, do some test runs, and we'll go from there. All right, well, engine is idling just fine. I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit longer. I just got stung by a wasp, so that didn't feel good. Address that, but yeah, I'm gonna just let this idle for a little bit. It doesn't seem to be skipping at all. 9 months. Guys, I'm gonna be honest because this is a channel about honesty. Almost $1,000 in troubleshooting, repairs, shop repairs, the whole thing for an $8 spark plug. So, lesson learned, always start with the least expensive things first, and then start troubleshooting from there. So. Okay, we're off. I've got some lines kind of out. I got some poles. You know, I feel a little less nervous because after working at the marina for the last 3 months, you know, I've seen horrible dockings and boats hitting boats, and not that any of that is what I want to have happen with me, but ultimately, I'm less nervous just by experiencing that stuff. So I'm headed out. I don't know where I'm going. So, I do see some piers here, and I'm gonna just do an experiment because I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing. So there's the other part, this is the learning curve. So lots of firsts today, but you got to get them done. And it's a really calm day, beautiful calm day, only 5 so knots of wind, so that's a good thing. That today was a good day to go do that, so we'll figure it out. So far, so good. It's running full speed, and it's definitely gone farther than it did before, so I guess it was a spark plug. I'm gonna call it a success. I've been motoring for 30-45 minutes, different speeds, mainly on low idle. It's run just fine. It ran fine at high speed. Spark plug. Okay, I didn't film the docking because I was solo sailing, coming in pretty slow, but it was just smooth as all could be. I've got a line midship. Came in, grabbed the cleat, no problem. You got to kind of make a tight 90-degree turn, but I mean, ultimately, it came in real smooth. So I'm gonna go get the trailer, and we'll get it on the trailer and go from there. Took a few attempts, and basically the swing keel was too far over on the port side, so the boat was kind of falling off the trailer. It was lined up, just not to where the keel was within the guides. So backed it down a few times, pushed it a few times. It took me about 4 attempts to get it back on the trailer. talk about timing. I just got the boat back in the dry slip, and it is pouring now. I didn't see that forecasted. Must be a little something, but got off the water just in time. Success. Let's head home and regroup and be ready for the next adventure.